You need to try this Mexican salad bowl that's bursting with flavour. Now before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell to make sure you're updated with all of our latest recipes. To start off with, you want to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Whilst that's heating up, you want to chop one sweet potato into large cubes. Place the sweet potato into a baking tray and then drizzle with some sunflower oil. You then want to season it well with some salt, pepper, and to add a bit of spice, some cayenne pepper. Give that all a really good mix, then place it into the oven to cook for about 30 minutes. Whilst the sweet potato is cooking, we're going to start on our black beans. So in a small saucepan, add some sunflower oil and let this heat up. Once that's nice and hot, add one chopped pepper and give that all a good mix and leave it to saute for a few minutes. To this we want to add one finely chopped green chilli and again leave that to saute for a few minutes. It's now time to add our black beans, so we're going to add 1 tin of black beans which have been washed and drained, and to this we're going to add some water. So we filled up the tin that the black beans came in about a third of the way with water, and then add that in and give it all a good mix. To make sure our black beans are packed full of flavour, we're going to season them well and then add some more spices. So to start off with, add some salt and pepper, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, about 1 teaspoon of chili powder, one tablespoon of tomato puree, one tablespoon of ketchup, and about 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, and then give that all a really good mix. You then want to leave this to simmer whilst you get everything else prepped and ready. As it continues to cook, the water will reduce and you'll get the perfect black beans. Whilst the sweet potato and the beans are cooking, you can get everything else prepped. So chop your lettuce and chop an avocado, and if you want to, you can also make a salsa. If you're looking for a recipe for a salsa, we've got our pico de gallo recipe, so make sure you check that out, otherwise you can use store-bought. When the black beans are done, it'll look something like this, and your sweet potato should be cooked at the same time, so you're ready to assemble. Start by getting a large bowl, and to this add your lettuce. Then add your sweet potato. Add some black beans, avocado, sweet corn. We've just used tinned sweet corn here, pico de gallo. You can find our recipe for this on our channel. Then season your avocado with a little bit of salt, ground cumin and paprika. How good does this look? It's the most delicious Mexican bowl, but we're not done yet. To really bring it together, we're going to top with some feta and then add some freshly squeezed lime. This is one of our favourite meals, and I guarantee you'll be making it again and again. If you want more recipes like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check out the other videos on our channel.